Taking a taxi.
Hello. Where would you like to go?
Hi, please take me to the airport.
Do you prefer the highway or the city route?
The fastest way, please.
Would you like the air conditioner on?
Yes, please. It's a bit hot.
Are you in a hurry?
A little, but drive safely, please.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase in the trunk.
We're almost there.
Great, thank you.
How much is the fare?
It's $15.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day. You too.
Check-in counter.
Good morning. Where are you flying to?
I am flying to Paris today.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in.
Do you have a carry-on bag?
Yes, I have this small backpack.
Please put your big suitcase on the scale.
Okay, I am putting it on now. I'm done.
Thank you. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 18.
Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure, and have a nice flight.
At the airport gate.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
I think we have seats together.
What is your seat number?
My seat number is 24A.
Great. Mine is 25A.
Is this the gate for the flight to Madrid?
Yes, we're in the right place.
Is the flight delayed?
No, it looks like it's on time.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are some outlets over there.
I feel so hungry.
There's a cafeteria nearby. Do you want to grab something to eat?
Maybe later. I think they'll start boarding soon.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want to miss our flight.
Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, I have it in my hand.
When do we get on the plane?
Very soon. They're calling our seat numbers now.
Okay, let's get in line.
On the plane.
Hello? Can you help me find my seat?
Yes, what is your seat's number?
It's 25A.
Please follow me. Your seat is right here.
Thank you. Can I put my bag up here?
Yes, there is space for your bag.
Is it okay to use my phone now?
No, please turn it off for takeoff.
Is it okay to recline my seat?
Yes, you can recline your seat now.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, I will bring it to you.
Are there any snacks?
Yes, we have cookies or pretzels.
That's great. I will have some cookies.
Here you are. Do you feel cold?
Yes. Could I have a blanket?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
What time do we arrive?
We will arrive at 3 p.m. local time.
During the flight.
Where is the restroom on the plane?
It is at the back of the plane.
Can I have a pair of headphones?
Of course, I will get them for you.
Could I have another pillow?
Certainly, I will bring one to you.
My screen is not working.
I can restart it for you.
I feel a little cold.
I can bring you an extra blanket.
When will the food be served?
We will serve lunch in about 30 minutes. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, an orange juice, please.
Do you want ice in your drink?
No, thank you. No ice for me.
Are you traveling for work or holiday?
I am traveling for a holiday.
Is this your first time in Paris?
Yes, it is my first visit. What is the weather like in Paris?
I think it is a little cold and rainy.
How long is the flight?
It is about 3 hours long.
Getting ready to land.
Who's speaking?
The captain is speaking now.
What is he saying?
He said we are landing soon.
Oh, good. I am ready to arrive.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, my seatbelt is on.
Please put your seat up.
I am putting my seat up now. Do I need to fill out this form?
Yes, one needs to complete it.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
What do I write for my address?
You can write the name of your hotel. The plane is landed.
That was a very smooth landing. Can we get up now?
No, we have to wait for the green light. Don't forget your book.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
Do you have everything with you?
Yes, I have my passport and my bag.
Let's get off the plane.
Okay, please follow me.
Talking to the immigration officer.
Please have your passport ready.
Yes, I have it right here.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation for 3 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
I'll be staying at the Sunshine Hotel.
Are you staying alone or with someone?
I'm staying alone.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything.
Can you open your bag for me, please?
Yes, of course, no problem.
Is this your first time in the country?
Yes, it's my very first visit.
Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Looking for bags.
Where do we get our suitcases?
We need to go to baggage claim.
Which number is our flight?
Our flight is on carousel number 5. I see my bag. It's the red one.
Great. I'm still looking for mine.
Can you help me lift my bag?
Of course. It looks very heavy. My suitcase is not here.
Let's go to the lost luggage office.
Missing luggage.
Hello, do you work here?
Hello? Yes, I'm with baggage services. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you just arrived in New York.
Exactly, about an hour ago.
Did you wait at the baggage claim?
Yes, but my suitcase never came.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What is your name?
Paul William.
Thank you, Mr. William. What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow tag.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is there anything on the tag?
Yes, my name and my phone number.
Perfect. I'll check the computer. One moment, please.
Thank you. I hope it's not gone.
Don't worry. Here it is. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, so what do I do now?
No problem. It will arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and we will deliver it directly to your hotel.
Great. I'm staying at the Hotel Sunshine.
Okay, I'll write Hotel Sunshine.
Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we will call you when the suitcase is here.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
Get into a taxi.
Hello. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. How much is it to the Sunshine Hotel?
It's about $40.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase and a carry-on.
All right, please put them in the back.
Thanks. Is it far from here to the hotel?
Not really. About 30 minutes if traffic is good.
Great. This is my first time in the city.
Oh, welcome. You'll love it here. Are you here for work or vacation?
For vacation.
Nice. Here we are. Sunshine Hotel.
That was quick. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great stay.
Thanks. Have a good day.